Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious crispy jerk chicken wings. Now of course these are not your ordinary chicken wings. Normally crispy deep fried chicken wings aren't jerk seasoned, but we decided to put a little twist on it and try jerk seasoned crispy chicken wings. And with these chicken wings we decided to serve it with a nice spicy mayo dip, as well as some celery and carrots just to add some freshness to all this savory, oily goodness. So if you'd like to see how to make these delicious chicken wings, then please keep on watching. So in terms of ingredients, of course you're going to need chicken wings. So we have about 3 pounds of chicken wings, give or take. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning, 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of breadcrumbs, we use seasoned breadcrumbs, and 1 cup of flour. All of these ingredients are going straight into your chicken wings, so you're going to start off by throwing in your ginger, your black pepper, your oregano, both your green and jerk seasoning. And if you're wondering what this green seasoning is made of, it's basically things like cilantro and thyme and all of those things really mixed up. It's a homemade seasoning, so if you'd like to see how to make that, then let us know in the comments below. It's a really great seasoning, especially to season meat, and we use it all the time. So you're just going to add all of this in and start to mix it up. We used tongs to mix it up because it was just dry and wet seasoning. So you're just going to mix all of that up, and then you're going to add in your breadcrumbs. And we used a half a cup of breadcrumbs, as I mentioned earlier. You can use more if you want it really breaded, but this was enough breading for us in our opinion. So you're just going to mix this up, and as you can see, we're also adding in your flour as well. And this is just going to help it deep fry a lot easier, and it's just going to have that nice coating around it. Now as you can see, we kind of didn't really need the tongs, it wasn't working out, so we just went straight in with our hands. Be sure to have your hands very clean when you're doing this. Now we're moving on to frying our wings. So there are 2 methods that you can use to fry wings. You can fry them like how we are right now with a pan filled with hot oil, or you can use a deep fryer. We have a deep fryer, but we prefer this method mainly because it does a really good job of thoroughly cooking the wings without overcooking them, and it also gives it a really nice color because of how easily it is to monitor your each and every wing and making sure that they cook thoroughly. So you'll want to turn these when they start to have a nice dark brown color, especially if you want that nice crispy flavor. If you want it to be lightly cooked and a little bit less crunchy and crispy, I would say turn them when they start to turn a little bit more white and cooked on the top side, that way that they're only just slightly brown on the other side. So you're just going to flip your wings, and you're going to keep monitoring them until they're ready to take out of the oil. Also, you'll want to cover your wings just so that both sides are evenly cooked at the end of it. So these are what your wings should look like once they are ready to take out of the oil. So as you can see, we're using a pair of tongs to take each one of them out of the oil and then placing them into a plate that is filled with paper towel. The reason why we filled the plate with paper towel is so that the paper towel can absorb some of the excess oil. You don't want your wings to be too overly oily. It'll just be very hard to eat. It'll be too rich. So we're just using the paper towels to absorb any excess oil that the wings may have. This is a sample of what your wings should look like, very nice and crispy and golden brown. So this is how we plated our wings. We decided to make a chicken wing tower. We thought it'd be really cute and fun. So we plated them as a tower. On the side we have a sauce. So the sauce that we made is kind of a spicy mayo. You'll also have some celery and carrots on the side as a nice refresher to have after all this savory chicken wings. So this is the final recipe completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Comment down below what you thought of this video and other videos on our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we upload. And of course, to subscribe to our channel for more videos every single week. So I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos so far. Let us know what you think on our social media pages, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching.